Hello there, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make reports in Microsoft Access. Once again, I'm going to use the database we developed in the previous videos, and this we called it School Database 2. So reports, what are reports? Reports are basically used to extract information for easy analysis, for further analysis, extract information from the different tables, queries to enable you print it off or send it to another person or to a colleague. Okay, let's begin by creating a simple report. I'm going to create a report based on students table. So I'm going to first use this option. Click on students table, then click on reports. Microsoft Access will automatically create for you this report. So once I click on save, I can say this is students report. Click save. You can see this is a report created. As you can see down here, we have students report. I can create another report. Go create. Teachers report this time. Report. Again, you can see it has created teachers report. So I can save this. I call this teachers report. Save. Close. I will do the editing of the reports later. I can also create reports based on queries. So just select students query, come to create. You remember this query has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has only 5 columns. So create on report. So it will create for you a simple report. The reason why it is returning only one row, it is because it is based on a query, and in the query we put a criteria which says that return only students in form 2. So I can save my query. I call this students form 2. So I think you are beginning to see the benefits of connecting reports to queries. Say, okay, all these are your reports. So I'm going to create another report based on teachers query. But this time I want to use what we call report wizard. So what you do, you click on teachers query, then click on report wizard, then select the information you want to appear on your report. I want teacher's ID, first name, last name, date of birth, married, date joined. Go next. And do you want to add any grouping levels? For now, just leave this. I'll explain to you what this means later on. We want to arrange this by date joined and in ascending order, or you can use teacher's ID. Do you want the report to be in columnar form? You want it to be in tabular form? I'll explain this later. Let's use tabular. You can even select whether landscape or portrait. But as you can see, if you select columnar, it will give you a report in this format, and then for tabular it will give you the information running, as you can see in this image here. So let's use tabular. Then say finish. This time we have used a report wizard. I strongly recommend that you use report wizards when you are developing your reports. They make your life very easy. So I'm going to save. And then close this report. Our report has been saved here. I can rename it. Rename. When this report is open, you cannot rename, you cannot delete. So you have to first close, right click, and then rename. I'm going to call this one teachers who joined maybe after 12. Teachers who joined, you can use teachers 12th June 2019. I'm trying to give names that describe the nature of the report. When I double click, this report will return information regarding teachers that joined the school on the 12th of June 2019 and beyond. I can go ahead and change this title here. It is very easy. You right click, design view, and then click here and then change the title. Teachers who joined after 12th June 2019, and then save and close. So when I click on it, it will show that title. So you can go back and even align this. You can highlight all this and to the left. So this is how you can always manipulate these controls. The text boxes, they are called controls. I save, close, such that when I open, it will look more organized. So the wizard is so clever, it will even add for you the current date on the report. It will even add for you the page numbering. So let's try to add some information in the teachers table and see if it will be reflected in this report. So I'm going to add some information. Assuming I have another teacher, SA003, by the names of, say first name, Jason, last name, Okana, date of birth, just pick date of birth, maybe pick that and edit it. Maybe 1990. State, I think also from Texas. Street 300, just assuming some information here. Street, qualification, Bachelor of Arts, date joined. Now here I want to put a date which is after 12th June 2019. Let me just put in a date here that's ready after June 2019 to enable me reflect that in this report here. Male or female? Of course, this is a male. Married? Yes. So I save. Actually, for tables, you don't need to save. You just close. Now, let's see if JSON is going to be reflected in teachers report. This teachers report for teachers who joined after the 12th of June 2019. Double click, you can see Jason O'Connor very well reflected in this report. So as you update the tables here, the reports will be updated. As you update the tables here, teachers table, the queries will as well be updated. So double click query and we see what is there. You can see again Jason O'Connor is appearing in this query because we set a criteria of all teachers that joined after 12th June 2019. This is how you develop the reports. By the way, this form 3 means class, not a form for the database. So I can close here, and double click this. I can go ahead and even edit this. So you just right click, design view, instead of students query. The reason why it adds for you query because it is based on students query. So just say students report. Save it. I can as well edit this, design view. This is not student table, but students report. Save. I go back a little here, students report, form 2. You can see when I open, the form title has changed. So when I open this one, the form title has changed. And then when I open this, we change the title here. And when I open teacher's report, this is teacher's report. So you give titles according to the information that you expect to show up in your report. Save. You can as well change the color of this part. Fill with that light green, and even footer. Fill with maybe that light green. So if save and close, you can see the report has changed. You can as well add your own logo on this report. Please like, share, and subscribe to our videos, and make comments about this video, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye for now.